Synchronous All India Elephant Estimation. Now, this elephant estimation has been done for a period 2021 to 2025. Important pointers about this estimation has been the first thing, where this was the first DNA-based elephant estimation or elephant counting. DNA-based, where dung samples were collected, and based on that, the counting was done. Prior to this, in the earlier times, head counts were done. But head count has an issue. What is the issue? That elephants are highly mobile. Elephants are highly mobile, we understand the reason. Because elephants eat a lot. So if they remain at one place, okay, all the food would be consumed in that particular area. So they keep moving, okay, and changing the areas where they feed. So because they are moving and they have very long ranges, you count one elephant over here, you may mistakenly count it at another place also. They are always on the move. And so the head count base was not a proper estimation. This time, DNA-based estimation has been done, which has been called a Synchronous All India Elephant Estimation. Major findings over here has been that India in the present time, okay, comprises or has 60% of the elephant population globally. If we see region-wise distribution, what has been found is the states which are there, very, very important for exam, okay, is Karnataka having highest numbers of elephant, followed by Assam, then comes Tamil Nadu, and then comes Kerala. This is the state-wise estimation where Karnataka in the present time has highest number of elephants. This is about the elephant estimation. Along with that, what comes with respect to examination would be again the behavioral aspect of elephants then. Behavioral aspects of elephant would include their social aspect, where elephants live in groups. They are social animals, but the group comprises mainly of female elephants and calves. The group is led by the oldest of the female. So the group follows a matriarchal system. In addition to that, the feeding habits, yes, they feed on grasses, basically majorly. Grasses, bamboo, okay, these are the feeding habits. Main is the social habit which is there. Along with that, elephants have one of the longest gestation period amongst mammals, which is around 22 months. So this is about the behavioral aspect of elephants. Then along with that, the conservation aspect, if we see of elephants in India, okay, we have one that is Project Elephant. Project Elephant is one of such conservation programs where captive elephants or captive animals also have been included under the conservation project. So it takes care of elephants, habitats, their corridors, man-animal conflict it deals with, and along with that, the welfare of captive elephants. Then additionally, under CITES, which is CITES is Convention on International Trade in Endangered Species. Under CITES, there was this program called as MIKE program, Monitoring of Illegal Killing of Elephants. This was started in South Asia in 2003. And this was mainly about the information sharing, best practices sharing platform, where different countries, different elephant ranges, okay, in South Asia, they keep communicating with each other, sharing important insights into the conservation efforts towards elephants or reducing man-animal conflict as well. And for examination perspective, because this counting has been done, this list remains very important, which is the 12 MIKE sites in India which have been identified. So MIKE sites, basically how it would be asked, can be either which of the following are the MIKE sites in India, given a list, or match the following in that the name of the MIKE site and matching it to the respective states. So this is everything related to Synchronous All India Elephant Estimation.